In 1969, one bug could have killed 3 astronauts on the moon. One woman prevented that disaster with code she wrote in 1962. This is the true story of the algorithm that still runs your banking app, Netflix recommendations, and every critical system in 2025. And almost nobody knows her name. Meet Margaret Hamilton. In 1962, she was only 26 years old and NASA just gave her an impossible job. Write software that had never been written before and for a computer with only 2 kilobytes of memory. Back then, software wasn't even a word. People thought bugs were physical insects in the machine. She had to invent everything from scratch. How to make software recover from errors, how to run multiple tasks at the same time, how to prioritize critical tasks over less important ones. And she literally created the first real-time fault-tolerant priority-based operating system in 1962. The core idea she implemented asynchronous priority scheduling with preemptive multitasking. This is, in plain English, the most important task interrupts everything else instantly. When the Apollo 11 computer got overloaded 3 minutes before landing, her algorithm detected the problem, killed low priority tasks, and kept only the critical ones running. Neil Armstrong landed safely because of her code. And that same concept runs in your bank's fraud detection, Netflix when it decides what to load next, Tesla Autopilot, every nuclear power plant control system, and the software that controls planes you're flying in right now. Modern operating systems, real-time systems, microservices, everything all traced back to what she built in the 60s. Margaret Hamilton literally invented software engineering. She coined the term in 1968, she got the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2016, but you've probably never heard her name. And that changed today. If you are a developer in 2025 and you write reliable code, you are standing on her shoulders. Now, if you want to stop wasting time on outdated tutorials and finally discover the real techniques, forgotten stories, and the advanced tricks that actually makes you a better developer in 2025, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I promise you won't regret it, right? See you in the next one and welcome to Code with Ruben.